All right, Janessa, I'm going to do a couple practice problems to make sure you understand what you're doing on this. This is your 8-3 practice. Let's look at number 1. Remember, you can write this at the top of your paper. Multiply the big numbers, add the exponents, or the little numbers. So, my big number here, my big numbers are 8 and 3. I multiply the big numbers. 8 times 3 is 24. I'm just going to copy my variable down. Now, I've got a 4 and a nothing. Whenever we see a nothing, always just put a 1 there. So I need to add the little numbers. 4 plus 1 is 5. All right. Let's do one more practice. I'm going to do number 3 for you. I'm going to put a 1 right in front of there. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 1 times 7. That makes 49. Going to copy my x down, and now I add 3 plus 4 plus 4. That makes 11. So that's your answer. Sorry, that's a terrible 11. All right, let's go down a little farther to number 9. Same rule, multiply the big numbers, 2, 8, and 3. 2 times 8 times 3 makes 48. 2 times 8 times 3 is 48. Copy the variable, and then I'm going to add my exponents. 4 plus 4 plus negative 2. 4 plus 4 plus negative 2 is a 6. Okay? Don't let that negative mess you up. Just add and then get your answer. We're going to look at one more. Let's look at number 11. 4 times 2 is 8. Copy my x down. Negative 1 plus 2 plus negative 4 makes a negative 3. Well, if you'll remember from a previous video, we can't have a negative. That's an illegal answer. So I'm going to make it a fraction. I'm going to circle the part that's illegal. I'm going to put it in the basement until it can learn to be positive. X to the third. So if you get a negative answer, you need to just put the variable and the exponent into the basement. I need you to do the rest of the problems on this worksheet. Do all of them 1 through 16 and send me a picture, please.